guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back and watching this video. So I hope you guys are doing great. So I have been MIA for quite some time now, but I'm finally back and making a video. So a past couple of days were not so good and I was really not feeling like shooting anything, making any videos, clicking pictures, anything. But finally I am doing it. I have been procrastinating a lot and delaying my work a lot, but I'm finally back. So for today's video, I am going to talk about my morning winter skincare routine. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, then you saw that I did make a video on my skincare routine for winters. So I thought I'd make a more detailed video on my YouTube channel for you guys. And I'm going to talk about my skin type during winter, what are products I use, what are steps I follow and everything. So let's not waste any more time and get straight into it. Starting off by talking about my skin type. So in summers my skin is oily, or I would say my skin type is combinational skin. But in winters my skin becomes so freaking dry, it's like Sahara desert. So I have to change my skincare game completely. I have to change my products completely during the winter season. I have to use products which are way more moisturizing and too much hydrating, because my skin is so dry. I need a very good moisturizer. I also change a few other items as well, and all of the products which I'm going to show you guys is good for dry skin people during winters. So basically in winters also I do not change the process of CTM, that is cleansing, toning and moisturizing. I do that both in summers and winters. The only change in my whole morning routine is that I just change a few skincare products. Other than that, the steps and all are basically same. So if you have watched my summer morning skincare routine, then you guys know. But if you have not, then it will be linked somewhere here on the screen. Just go and click on that and watch the video. I'm sure you guys are going to... You don't really have to, go on applying a lot of layers of creams and stuffs to your face, thinking that it is going to change your skin completely, your skin has become flawless. No, adding too much products, adding too much layer of product and too many new products to your skin can lead to aging fast. So don't rush and don't think of adding a lot of layers of skincare products. It is really not necessary. The basic items and the basic things that you need for your daily skincare, if you use that, you are just good to go. That is, you just wash your face with a good face wash or a cleanser, you apply a good moisturizer which is hydrating, and you apply a sunscreen. Sunscreen is really very important, so don't skip that. You apply a good lip balm. You can use facial serums, essential oils, whatever you prefer, and that's all. You really don't have to apply under eye cream and spot treatment cream. Nobody's perfect, you guys. Everybody has their own flaws and we have to accept that. So it is really unnecessary to keep on buying a lot of skincare items and just hoarding up skincare items, because that can lead to aging fast, and sometimes too many layers of skin products also lead to have that acne problem. So minimize your usage of products in your daily skincare. Just use the products that you actually need, that your skin actually needs, and don't go on layering products. So those spot treatment cream, this and that, I don't think they work 100% efficiently. Of course, it completely depends on you, that if you want to buy that, that's completely fine. But yeah, so anyway, do not skip your cleansing. Cleansing is essential. Cleansing is very essential. When you wake up in the morning, you just wash your face with a good face wash or a good cleanser, and it removes the dirt, the excess dirt, oil and any kind of thing that is there on your face, and your face feels super fresh. Secondly, cleaning your face every day is actually very important, because when whatever germs, dirt, oil, whatever you had from the previous day, when you come back home at night, of course you wash your face, but the next morning also, if you are staying home, that does not mean your face does not get oily or does not get dirty. It does. So it is very important to wake up in the morning and wash your face with a good face wash. So that is one thing. And the more your face is oily, the more it's greasy, the more it's dirty, the more you will have acne. The more you'll get pimples and acne and all of that, the more you are going to break out. So remember to clean your face very nicely, very gently, but properly every single day. So the cleanser that I am currently using, it's not that I use this for winters, you have to use it for winters only, but this is Biotique's Bio White Fairness Face Wash and I am using this. It's not meant for using in winters, you can use it in both summer, winter, whatever, whenever you want to use this, but currently I'm using this and actually works pretty good. Other than that, there is another face wash that I use that is also by Biotique itself, that is the Biotique's my most favorite and my most reliable face wash, that is the Bio Neem face wash, but that I have run out of that. So but yeah, that is something that I use also like on a daily basis. So these are like the two face washes that I use, but Biotique is a really good brand and I always use Biotique face washes because they firstly don't do any harm to the skin. I never break out after using any Biotique product, and secondly it just suits my skin really well. So yeah, so this is one option of face wash that you can probably use and I think it's gonna be pretty good. So okay, no, this is 200 ml product and I got this for rupees 240. So yeah, this is the first item that I use. Coming to the next step, that is toning. So toner, using a good toner is also very essential, and there are a lot of toners, and choosing a toner can be quite hard at sometimes, because even whenever I had a lot of trouble choosing toners, because there are a lot of toners which have a pretty high quantity of alcohol within it, which tends me to break out so much. So I always used to have a lot of problems with choosing toners, but currently I'm using this Biotique Bio Honey Water Toner, as you guys can probably see. So yes, it has alcohol, but it has a little less quantity of alcohol and it actually did not cause any harm to the skin. And why? And I knew that it has alcohol, but I still got this because it is Biotique, and Biotique products suit me so much that I just felt like maybe this is gonna suit me too, and yes, it did. So this is a Biotique Bio Honey Water Pore Tightening Toner with Himalayan waters. So this is very good. So if you guys know, that toner is basically used to remove the excess dirt and oil that is there in your pores. It just helps to clean that, and it just rejuvenates the skin. So yeah, this is the toner that I am currently using, and it is a 120 ml bottle and it retails for 175 rupees. So again, coming to talk about toner also, toner में भी ऐसे कुछ नहीं है that you have to use a particular toner for summer and particular toner for winter. If it suits your skin, then you can use it 12 months a year. But just remember, whenever you are using a new product, just check if anything is happening to your skin. If you're breaking out, if you are having a burning sensation, if you're having rashes or any kind of side effects, if it is having, just notice it within a week. You will see if there's any change and just change it. You don't have to do anything, you just have to change the product, because that is something that is causing a lot of trouble to your skin. So it's better to just not use it anymore. So yeah, this thing, and the most important thing is moisturizing, especially for dry skin people. Whatever you do, never skip your moisturizer. So in winters, I have very dry skin. As I told you guys in the earlier part of my video, I have super dry skin during winters, and it is very important for me to moisturize my face very nicely every single day. So in summers, generally I go for oil-free moisturizer and a mattifying moisturizer, but in winter I try to buy moisturizers which are a little greasy and which has that good moisturizing effect, and it actually lasts long, because there are a lot of moisturizers which you apply, and after like 2 to 3 hours you don't feel like you have anything on your face. So go for a moisturizer which is actually really long lasting. So in winters, the moisturizer that I use, like since when I was a kid, I've been using this, is the Dabur Gulabari cold cream. Yeah, moisturizing cold cream. I have been using this since I was a kid. Me, my mom, we used to use this, and it smells divine. It has that beautiful rosy smell, and if you are a person who likes the smell of roses, then you are definitely going to love this product. So this is a 100 ml tub and it retails for 140 rupees, which is very affordable, and you can definitely use this and try and use this once. If you're looking for a good affordable cold cream, just go and use this. I'm sure you're going to love it. I think it is for all skin type, and it is gonna suit you, I promise. It won't cause you any pimples or acne. I hope so, because my skin is very much sensitive to new products, and whenever I use something new, I'm always a little like skeptical because I know that I'm gonna break out. But there are a lot of but there are very few products which suit me in one use, and this is one of them. So I'm really very so yeah, I love this. And I would recommend you guys also to try it out if you want a new cold cream to try this winter. Sunscreen is very important. It does not matter if you're going out, if you're not, it does not really matter, because the UV rays and the sun rays do enter your house, and it is equally harmful for your skin when you go out. So it really does not matter if you are staying home or going out. Applying a sunscreen, it just helps to protect your skin from the harmful rays, as well as it just keeps the skin really healthy as well. So using a sunscreen is very important. So currently I'm using these Bioderma trial packs. It was sent to me by Bioderma for a PR, and I've been using these. So one is the Photoderm Akin Matte SPF 30, and one is Photoderm Max SPF 50 plus. So these both are a little mattifying sunscreens, but these are actually very good. So these sunscreens are easily available on Nykaa and on the official website as well, but these are a little bit on the pricier side, to be honest, because it retails for, yes, it's for 1500 or something. So yeah, I think it's a bit on the pricier side. But guys, to be honest, this sunscreen is absolutely amazing. Products that I use are basically for like my body, that is body lotion. So the first body lotion is again a Dabur Gulabari one that I'm using. So this actually came free with the Dabur Gulabari that cream, but I am using this for quite some times now, and it's actually pretty good. I'm actually liking it, and maybe I will purchase the bigger one of this. I've never used the Dabur Gulabari body lotion before. It also has that very sweet rosy smell. So yeah, this is actually pretty good. The product that I use is the Yardley London's English Rose Moisturizing Body Lotion. So in my house, you're going to find a lot of products which has to do with roses. We love the smell of rose. So this is basically, my dad got this for me from Dubai, and it retails for, I don't know, and the price of this I cannot tell you, and I'm not even sure if it's available in India. Maybe it is available in India online, but this is actually very good. This body lotion just, it deep nourishes the skin and makes the skin so freaking soft. I love it, and also I love the smell of it. It has a lot of fragrance variants, so you can definitely buy whichever fragrance you like, but I got the rose one. Like I told my dad to get the rose one, and it is very useful for my hands. It's a Avon Body Naturals hand cream. It's a rose and peach hand cream, and again rose, but it has the smell of peach is a little bit more than the amber. The smell of peach is a little more than the rose. So yeah, this is the hand cream which I'm using. I don't use this every day. I use the body lotion every day, but there are a few days when I want my hands to smell a little bit nicer, so that those days I use this, especially on days when I remove nail polish and just apply the hand cream. It is good for the cuticles as well. So this is a 50 gram like tube, and it retails for 199 rupees, but it is absolutely worth the money. It's so freaking nice. Okay, coming to the using this lip balm by Laneige. It's a Laneige lip sleeping mask, and guys, this is just something that I was looking for. It's a lip sleeping mask, so I apply this in the night time, and when I sleep the next morning, my lips are so soft, like really very soft, and my lips have not dried a single day this winter till like so far. So I'm actually pretty happy with this product. So it's like this. It's a small tub, but it has this jelly kind of lip balm, and the smell of this is so good. This fragrance is berry, but you don't need a lot of this, you know. You just need a little bit of this. Just apply it on your lips and you're good to go. So it's gonna last me a long time. So I'm really very happy with this purchase, and it is not meant to use for winters only. You can use it anytime that you want, and I absolutely love this. This was it for my winter skincare routine. It was not much, and all the products were really very affordable, as well as easily available, as well as really suitable for people having dry skin during the winters. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and the red subscribe button below and hit on the bell icon if you guys want to get notified anytime I upload a new video. And I'll come up with a very good and fun. And also I'm gonna do a Nykaa Print Friday sale haul super soon. Maybe the video will be out within 3 to 4 days. I'm just waiting for my products to come. So I'm really very excited for you guys to see what I got. I did not get much. It's basically just skincare items that I got. But yet I'm very excited to show you guys everything that I've purchased. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.